Open?
Well, I think I'm happy that I'm back. I think obviously tournaments every year they keep happening, but this time I also came back from an injury and I'm happy that I could play my game and give my 100%. And I'm happy that I won the first round. Yeah, I think it's important to stay focused and keep going because every match is important and it keeps getting harder and harder every time. And every time we go in, we need to give 100%. And of course, I'm happy that I could win the first round and be prepared for the next one now.
Sindhu, with all these stop start in your career in recent years, how you stay motivated? I mean, yeah.
I think it's part of the game. I mean, I've been in this in sport for a very long time now. I mean, injuries do happen. I mean, it's sad that I have to stop and then take a break. Come back again stronger again. You need to play, and suddenly you get injured. I mean, it's all part of the game, is what I feel. But it's also important that you need to understand that these will keep happening. You can't expect that nothing is going to happen and you are like super strong. These keeps happening, and you never know, because an injury doesn't come and it doesn't say and come, it just happens. So I think you need to be prepared for everything, because especially when you're injured, I think those are the times where you need to stay motivated. Sometimes you feel that, oh no, why did this happen, or can I come back again? But I think those are the times you have to stay motivated. And I think my team, my parents, my husband have been very supportive in those times, and could always support me and take me higher always.
I'm sure retirement is not. I mean,
No,
it's
I mean,
not there.
definitely I'm definitely going to play for the next couple of years. Yes, I need to stay injury free and of course keep giving my best as usual. Yeah.
How are you approaching your career at this point? Like, you're married, and I mean, does it change? Does that?
I mean, it doesn't change. Luckily, I am very lucky to have a husband who is very supportive in sports. I mean, he doesn't play sport, but he's a techie guy, but he knows a lot more sport than me. So that, in a way, I'm lucky that, he's very supportive. And of course, my parents, my dad and mom were sports persons themselves. So, what else I need? I've got all the motivation, all the support. So I think I just take life however it comes, and it's just one day at a time. I mean, yeah, as I mentioned, today might be really good, tomorrow might be very bad, but it is a process. I need to just follow the process and keep coming back stronger again and